Hi guys, I'm Karen. Today we're going to be making a taco style flag. And the ingredients you'll be needing are some tortilla chips, shredded lettuce, taco seasoning, ground beef, some grape tomatoes, black olives, mild salsa, and some cheese. And the first step is to grab your ground beef and also some olive oil or any kind of oil you'd like to use, and grab a pan and put it on medium heat. And you're going to let it simmer until the beef is no longer pink. You're going to want to separate it and make sure it gets evenly cooked. And once your beef starts looking like this, no longer pink, you're going to want to drain out the grease. And then once you drain that out, you're going to want to add a cup of, or 3/4 cup of water, your taco seasoning, and your salsa. As you can see, most of the water has absorbed already. I'm going to let it sit for another minute or two, and in the meantime, I went ahead and prepared this dish and put chips under it, and on top, we're going to put the ground beef, and then we're going to put some lettuce, and then tomatoes, and then the olives to make it look like the American flag. Once you have evenly spread your beef out, you're going to want to put your shredded lettuce on top, evenly coat it out. Once you are done spreading the lettuce, you're going to want to get your black olives and put them on the upper left-hand corner to form your stars. So once you are done placing your olives as your stars, I already went ahead and washed my tomatoes, and you're just going to want to place them as you would as if they were stripes. And then you're going to alternate with tomatoes, cheese, tomato, cheese, as many as they can possibly fit. So this is what the end result should look like. It's a pretty simple snack to make for the 4th of July. Hope you guys enjoyed following along with me making this awesome meal. Have a great 4th of July and stay safe.